Stop. How? Bye bye. Yeah, home we go.
The trekking will go, as far as I read and heard, it will be a rough one. Rice fields,
Looks good.
a bunch of minority people. One woman from the Hmong minority who will be our guide.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yes. 9 o'clock downstairs.
Yep.
No breakfast for me.
Chin will come, our guide. We were supposed to have Pam, but her grandfather died.
Father died. So. We're going down here. It's a shortcut. We do it very often. Minefield. How are you feeling in your shoes, in your boots?
They are super.
Do you like his boots? He bought them yesterday.
I also use the one like this. Sometimes I go to the mountain also.
Yeah? Okay. I told him that it's girls' boots, but he doesn't believe me.
It's a waterproof.
Yeah, very waterproof. More than that, it's impossible.
I'm working in the rice paddy field. And this one is the corn. So when we're walking through here, we need to be careful, not
to step on it,
Yeah,
okay.
not stepping in the corn.
Don't step on the corn.
Alright.
Let's see how this will end.
Like a bug. Här kan man flyta på ett sätt.
Ja.
Ja,
Usch,
du ser.
typ så.
Det är bara en tidsfråga.
When you said slippery mud, you were not joking.
Barnarbete.
Minimum working age. 2 years. As soon as you can walk, you work.
Nice view, huh?
Yes, very nice.
Local people, they use this to make a juice, but it's too little, so it's not enough to make a juice.
When you say juice, do you mean with alcohol or non-alcohol?
Yes, but they need to put it in a bottle.
Yeah.
Then they put rice one in,
Yes.
and they use to drink.
Yeah, and get drunk.
Yes, really strong.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Maybe I found another part more dry.
Mhm.
This one has lots of water.
Yes, a lot. But we are losing our friends following us. They're going some other way.
All of this way is the same.
They go down.
Because the rice taro, one by one,
Mhm.
they will meet in later.
Ah,
But because this one has full in water,
Yeah.
so even we step or we fall down in a rice field, we will get wet.
brutalist building.
Yeah.
Maybe a detour.
When you see the rice paddy, the rice terrace,
Yes.
all of these terrace they were building for many years ago. Could be like more than 100 years ago. So when I'm growing up, everything is look like this. So you see all the water, they are coming through one by one. So we calling it rice terrace because they are terrace. And the water will go through here, down to all of the rice field. But all of this building by minority people, but they are make a group all together, like a group to sharing a rice. But not now. Like 100 or 80 years ago, like my grandmother, they also built the rice paddy. But they say all group they will have like 80 or 20 more than that helping into building. So they will growing rice at the same time. But when the harvest, they were sharing by person. Who's have more bigger family, they will cost more rice.
Yeah.
But after then, the group will not happy enjoying together. some family will be lazy. They will cannot follow in the group. And then they will separate. They will separate. They will share in the mountain. Who have more energy to build. So this family will have more rice field. So now it's belong to each family. Now it's not sharing for everyone.
Yeah.
The baby rice is the green one right here. They already grow the seed. This terrace is a cost around like 40 or 50 kilo rice. Now you can see all the view.
It's beautiful. Is that a party?
Funerals.
Funerals?
Yes.
Oh.
This person is let's see, also my family.
Okay.
So after trekking, maybe I will been to here also. He very old, and then he passed away only.
Ah. He's the father or relative.
Pam's grandfather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ping and me is auntie and niece.
You see,
Yes.
Small
I
world.
can start soon make a
So
map of
Ping,
this.
Ping uncle.
Yeah.
So it's these guys also be to my great grandmother uncle. So we are like family, but I am the young generation.
Okay.
Yes.
But I mean, if you have 10 sisters and brothers, it's a quite.
Big family.
Yeah.
But I married, I moved to my husband's village.
Okay.
So I come in late. They don't care. But Pen is her family. So she has to stay and cook and for many people. So now I am married already. So I come in late for a couple of days late. They don't care.
Sounds like it's a birthday party, but it's a funeral.
The drum.
The drum.
Yeah, there was a drum.
Can we go
definitely.
there and watch there? Is it sensitive? Okay.
You want to see how the culture, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But I don't want to disturb if it's a funeral in Sweden. I mean, yes, in Sweden you don't grieve. Hey, it's a
And
funeral.
here,
Let's see.
they don't mind.
They don't mind.
They're really friendly and welcome. Just only like we are happy to see or not. Just
Okay.
like that.
Should we give some flowers or?
There's no flower around here.
No.
The local people, they don't buy a flower.
They bring rice wine.
Yeah, they bring rice wine and they bring their own rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so they played the gong at the funeral.
The drum is made by a cow's skin.
Cow skin. Okay. I have a done moi with me. I don't know if how.
Hi, hi.
Hello.
Oh,
You want to go to see?
Yes.
Nhớ kia kia kia. Cái nữa. Nhớ kia ông tao sai cái con nào nữa đó. This is the funerals for the This is the buffalo rice one. The one in the
I see the buffalo.
Yes.
The big one.
They only use it for very old buffalo and they use it for something special. And you see these guys drinking a rice one in the bottle. So they are holding and talking and drinking. That is mean when they see a new friend, a new people is coming. So they are talking, drinking, that is mean they're happy together. And how come they are coming.
They maybe hold each other to keep them standing as well.
Känns lite fel. Den bussen. Inget bussen.
De är så jävla fulla och många allting om.
Hi.
Drinking rice one.
Det sista du ser. This is the last thing you see.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you shut your eyes and look. Yeah, okay. For
You
you.
need to find someone to drink and then down.
Yeah, okay.
One by one.
Do I get blind?
Có tí xanh đây đi. Dạ, có gì chứ?
Yeah.
Thả vô.
Oh, so, okay.
You can pick anyone you.
Dạ.
But I don't know
Dạ
if
con
they
xin
want
đi.
to drink.
Everybody can drink here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Trẻ tới đi chín chị ăn chị giả nó.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Wait.
Con đi sang đây đi hò.
Oh, yeah. Skål på det.
Con đi sang đây đi.
Cheers. Yeah, champon-chan. Oh, fy fan. Oh, god damn it. It's okay. No. Oh, yeah.
Ok, xin nghỉ trẻ con chị hay con đi sang đây đi hò.
I drank.
Con đi sang đây đi giải hò tới cái đó.
Now it's his turn.
No. I did it. Then you give it to somebody else, and then you go.
Oh, it's okay. Wait.
I give it to him. I see that he likes. No, for you. For you. No. For you. I drank already. I already start seeing blurry.
His turn.
No. Yes. Stop.
Con đi sang đây đi.
How? Bye.
Lại đi hò.
Yeah, home we go. I lost my stick. What? My name?
Nó đây.
Christopher.
Có phi sai.
Ja, fy fan.
Mày yêu rồi.
Sweden.
Chú này, ôi, đừng cơ. Có tí sang đây bán nữa.
No more. Mirko.
Michael.
Wow.
Có tí sang đây bán nữa.
No more. Yes, he wants to drink.
I'm fine, thank you.
Ôi, đừng cơ.
Yeah, feeling good. I feel good.
All of these like their own guests, a friend. So
Oh, yeah.
now they have to invite to have a dinner, and after them they will go home. Tomorrow they will come back again.
Aha, so it's a long funeral.
Yes.
3 days? 4 days?
Around 3 days.
3 days?
4 days, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Ví dụ là tao
National Geographic.
Aquí cai tu mai. Hi. I'm full. I'm really full. Thank you. No. He's eat a lot.
shit. Två, till och med. Concert går från en år.
3 days. Okay. Hi. Nice to meet you. Okay. Great. Please. Okay. Thank you for bringing us here. I would like to stay, but she's pushing us to go.
We would like to stay 3 days.
It's not a tourist attraction.
No.
Setup.
How many friends you have who've been at the Hmong funeral? Hey, bye bye.
Thank you for the drink. Friends forever.
Thank you cool.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Okay.
Yes.
Có phía với cả tinh không ô có phía không
Đi ra ngoài ăn rồi.
ăn nó ngoài
Đi là.
là con lớn là bà ấy của như thế chỉ cả yếu mà
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah. We'll have a nice hangover.
That is the culture for us. When you drink one by one. That is mean like you welcome to see the friends. So even when we come into here and they don't let us drink, that is mean like they're not happy to see us.
Ah.
So if there are 200 people, you have to drink 200 times.
Drink many times, sometimes one by one around, and then very drunk. Nobody know the way back home. And then have to drink. Even they invite you to drink, you not drink. That is mean you don't like this person and then you don't
we
drink.
understood. That's
Yeah.
in most cultures,
Yeah.
unless you're Muslim.
Yeah.
It's too late for us to pretend.